Alright, let's delve into this Math Olympiad question. Alright, so we are given u squared minus t squared equals to 50. Alright, now let's understand that anytime we are given a squared minus b squared, okay, this one is called difference of two squares. So it's the same as a plus b, a minus b. Now when you expand this, you get this. So that is the difference of two squares. So my u squared minus t squared equals to 50 is the same as u plus t, okay, then u minus t equals to 50. Alright, so looking at this condition, u plus t, u minus t, we can say that u plus t is greater than u minus t. Alright, now we can recall here that 50 can be written as 50 times 1 or 1 times 50 or 25 times 2 or 2 times 25 or 10 times 5 or 5 times 10. Okay, now looking at this condition, u plus t is more than u minus t. So this one is more than this. I'll keep this. So I'll cancel this one. Okay. So this one will be maintained. I'll cancel this. Okay. So 10 is more than 5. I'll cancel this. So I'll stick to 1, 2, 3. Okay. So let's start with the first condition. U plus t, u minus t equals 50 times 1. So u plus t, u minus t equals the first condition. So we assume that u plus t equals 50 and u minus t equals 1. So u plus t equals 50 and u minus t equals to 1. So let me call this one equation 1 and 2. Okay. Now let's add equation 1 and 2, which will make this side 2u, this one will go, equals to 51. Okay. Therefore, u is 51 on 2. So knowing u as 51 on 2, we can use any of the equation to solve for t. So using 1 from 1, u, which is 51 on 2, plus t equals to 50. So let's multiply both sides by 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So we have 51 plus 2t equals to 100. So 2t is 100 minus 51. So 2t will be 49. Okay. So my t here will be 49 on 2. So the first case has given us u equals to 51 on 2, t equals 49 on 2. Now let's go to case 2. Now with the case 2, I'll equate this one to 25 times 2. Okay. So 25 times 2. case 2. So we have u plus t, u minus t, 25 times 2. It means u plus t equals 25 and u minus t equals 2. So let's add the two equations. So once I do that, I'll get 2u and this one will vanish, equals to 27. Okay, so u will be 27 on 2. Now let's use any of the equation to solve for t using 1. So u, which is 27 on 2, plus t equals 25. So multiplying both sides, or multiplying through by 2 times 2 times 2, I'll get 27 plus 2t equals 50. So 2t will be 50 minus 27. So 50, 27, 10, 3. So that is 23. So my t will be 23 on 2. That is for case 2. All right. Now let's look at case 3, okay, of the expression. That's the last case. Now with the case 3, we have 10 times 5, okay. So let's equate. So u plus t, okay, u minus t, 10 times 5. Okay, so we have u plus t equals 10, equation 1, and u minus t equals to 5, equation 2. Now let's add the two equations. This side will be 2u, this one will go equals 15. Therefore u is 15 on 2. Using equation 1, so let's plug in u, that is 15 on 2 plus t equals to 10. So times 2 times 2 times 2, this one will cancel. 15 plus 2t equals to 20. So 2t is 20 minus 15, which is 5. So 2t equals 5. T is 5 on 2. Okay, so we have all the solutions here. Okay, so we have all the cases. All right, so that's that. Now you can go through them well, then observe it step by step. All right, so thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos like this. All right.